Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two awesome treadmills, the UREVO walking pad and the UREVO under-desk treadmill.
Get ready to walk, run, and laugh with us as we compare these two fitness powerhouses.
Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about the most important aspect, the price.
The UREVO walking pad comes in at a cool $199, while the UREVO under-desk treadmill will set you back $399.
Now I know what you're thinking. Why would I pay double the price for the under-desk treadmill? Well, my friends, stick around and we'll show you why it might just be worth it.
Next up, let's talk about design and portability. The UREVO walking pad is slim, sleek, and lightweight.
It's like the Ryan Gosling of treadmills, easy on the eyes and easy to move around.
With its compact size and convenient wheels, you can slide it under your bed or even tuck it away in your closet. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty, the features and performance. The UREVO walking pad boasts a 5-layer running belt, 8 silicone shock absorbers, and 2 soft rubber pads.
It's like walking on a cloud while protecting your precious knees. And the best part?
It's so quiet, your neighbors won't even know you're exercising.
Sorry, Karen, no more complaints about noise. Alright, let's talk tech. The UREVO walking pad keeps it simple with an LED display screen that shows your speed, distance, time, and calories burned. Plus, you can easily adjust the speed using the included remote control. It's like having a mini command center at your fingertips.
The UREVO walking pad and the UREVO under-desk treadmill both have their unique features and advantages.
Whether you're looking for a compact and affordable option or a versatile powerhouse, these treadmills have got you covered.
And that's a wrap, folks. The UREVO walking pad and the UREVO under-desk treadmill both have their unique features and advantages.
Whether you're looking for a compact and affordable option or a versatile powerhouse, these treadmills have got you covered.
It's time to make your decision. Are you team walking pad or team under-desk treadmill?
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.